Hello everyone. So in this lecture, we will see another problem with the pod when it is in the crash loop backoff state. It means your pod is keep restarting. So there could be a couple of reasons for this. One of the reason could be application get crashed. You are passing a wrong command or some dependencies which is missing. Now, let me just go to my Kubernetes cluster. And if I show you here kubectl and get pods, and here you can see one of my pod, it is in the run container and it is actually restarting. And now you can see it is in the crash loop backoff. So now if I see the kubectl and logs of this particular pod, which is pod 2, so logs are not saying anything. So it means then I can check the kubectl and describe my pod 2, describe pod and pod 2, right? So now here you can see it is failed to create the container task, container shim task, OCI container runtimes. So it is saying there is some error in the exec ABC. So it is trying to execute some command which is ABC, and ABC is not a command. That's why. Now here, if we see last state was the terminated, and it is in the crash loop back statement, right? And also you can see in the command, it is written CMD. So command get executed when your container gets started. Now I deliberately given the wrong command so that, I can show you this particular error. So let me just show you how I produce this error. Let me delete this pod, kubectl, delete pod and pod 2, right? So now, right. So now what I'll do, I will create kubectl run pod 2 with the image, say Nginx, and I want to use a command. So we need to say command equals to true. By default, it is false. And I want to execute a command, say XYZ. This command is not a Linux command, so it will throw the error. And I'm using hyphen hyphen. If you want to use a YAML file, you can say hyphen hyphen dry run equals to client minus O YAML, right? And I will put it into some cmd.yaml file, right? So now if I say cat cmd.yaml file, so here you can see the command is XYZ, which I want to execute. Now, let's create this pod, kubectl, and create -f and cmd.yaml file. So pod get created, but pod is having a problem. We will see kubectl, get pods. So you can see run container error. It is unable to run the container and it goes into the crash loop backoff status. And if I try to kubectl logs, which is pod 2, so it is not giving me anything. So we need to go to its describe command, kubectl describe pod 2. And here you can see it is clearly saying that I'm trying to execute this command, which is XYZ, and it is saying it is not found. And warning, back off. And it is 3 times over 25 seconds. Uh, it is crashed, and it will keep restarting. And you can see that kubectl get pods. It is started 3 times, right? So this is the error which I wanted to discuss you, and the reason it could be the application. Inside the application, some crash has happened. I have given you the example of the wrong command, or maybe some dependencies which is missing. And because of that, this error occurs. So you can check the logs or you can run the describe command. So that's it for this lecture. In next lecture, we will see the another problem in the Kubernetes. Till then, bye-bye.